One of the cars is on fire. The helicopter is here checking out the damage. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with Tonka Tinys. It's going to be so much fun to see what's going on in Tonka Tiny Town. There's some repair work going on in town. The construction is slowing traffic. Oh no! There's been an accident. We need to call for help. One of the cars is on fire. The helicopter is here checking out the damage. Let's put out the fire. Yay, the fire's out. The fireman has done his job. Here comes the tow truck. Time to get the first vehicle to the repair shop. Now the traffic can move along again. It's time to fix the van. Yay! All done! Let's fix the car. Yay! All done! The cars are ready to be on the road again. What an amazing adventure we've had today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.